check this out. Real engine noises are dying. With the Huracan gone, the V10 is officially extinct. It gets worse. EVs are playing fake engine noises out of speakers. So, here are the best engine sounds still on sale today. Corvette CAZ06 comes with a flat plane V8. Ford Mustang Dark Horse 5-liter Coyote V8 with 500 horsepower. Porsche 992 GT3. The GT3 is the only way you could still buy an NA Porsche engine. Lexus LC500. Lexus calls the engine noise the cry of angels. Ferrari 12 Cilindri, the last NA V12 Ferrari will ever make. These sounds won't last forever. Which engine will go extinct next? Listen one more time.